What's up, everybody? I know everyone's familiar with the phrase, I'd rather be pissed off than pissed on, but has anyone actually been pissed on before? Show of hands, not just me. Oh, twins. But yeah, I don't know about you, my golden shower virginity was taken in the Boy Scouts. And I'm pretty embarrassed to admit I even was a Boy Scout, especially after I saw they just filed for bankruptcy again. But my story gives a whole new meaning to the term liquidation. So, honestly, I mean, surprisingly enough, it wasn't the Scoutmaster who peed on me. And I only know this because he had just liquidated on my buddy about 5 minutes before, so process of elimination, right? I mean, but you gotta understand, I wasn't as mad the kid had just turned our tent up the Mississippi River, more so that I was furiously pissed off that my waterproof sleeping bag now looked like it was up front row at an R. Kelly concert. Like, that's karma for me picking asparagus for dinner that night. Thank you guys for joining the Bell Room.